When to apply a perfume? It is a question I'm often asked. My answer? There are no rules. Smells are directly connected to our memory, and therefore spraying a scent is a way of empowering, refreshing, and comforting. And even though any time is a right time, I would like to share with you 3 suggestions that have always helped me. Before or after getting dressed? It depends. In the mornings, for a subtle scent, I prefer to do it before getting dressed. However, at night, I'd rather spray it after a shower and after I get dressed. Applying scent directly on your clothes can also help increase its longevity. How often should we spray perfume during the day? I always make sure I pop up a fragrance into my bag for a mid-afternoon top-up. And I usually carry my perfume in precious tiny bottles I was giving on a trip to Marrakesh. That way I can touch up before an important meeting, for example. I find woody notes to be very reassuring, like vetiver in CH Law. And for parties, I love the sensuality of vanilla combined with a mystery of leather of CH Privé. Or for dinner, I love the balance between jasmine and rose in CH Woman. In the winter or in the summer? Any season is a good time. In the summer, we need fragrances that aren't too heavy or empowering. For example, try one with fresh notes, grassy notes, or one with a zesty citrus note. My trick for applying richer scents during the hot season is to store them away from the heat. Did you know the bathroom is not the best place to store a scent? Heat and sunlight damage the raw materials. During the winter when I wake up, I go for fresher accords. Perfumes cheer up, can also relax and awaken us.